Welcome to this unboxing and review of the Bitfenix Phenom Mini ITX case. This case is available in both Micro-ATX and Mini ITX versions, which are basically identical externally, and it's also available in both Midnight Black and Arctic White color schemes. Inside the box, the first thing that you find is the quick installation guide. Now onto the case itself. The case has a really clean, minimalistic look to it. No external drive bays, just a smooth white finish with the Bitfenix logo on the front. The case is made from steel, but it has a special soft touch coating which makes it feel almost like rubber. On the right side panel are two USB 3.0 ports, headphone and microphone ports, a reset switch and the power button. There's a black grille which goes all the way along the side of the case and curves around the top. Looking at the back of the case now, at the bottom is the PSU bracket, then there's the motherboard I/O shield cutout, fan grille, and on the right two PCI Express brackets. There's a black removable grille on the top which can take two 120mm fans. It's really simple to open, you just slide the switch to the right and it lifts right off. So I'll get the case opened now and we'll have a look inside. On the inside of the side panel next to the cables for the ports, there are spaces for two SSDs or 2.5-inch hard drives. Inside this brown box is a bag containing a cable management loop and a few screws, a USB 3.0 to USB 2.0 adapter, and another bag with various thumb screws and mounting screws for 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch hard drives. The hard drive cage is on the right near the front of the case. There are 5 3.5-inch drive bays and the drives fit inside these trays which are removed just by squeezing the plastic clips to either side. The drives are held in the trays with these metal pins with rubber around the outside which is supposed to slide forwards and backwards. I found these really fiddly to work with and found it easier to fit the pins in one side of the drive and then bend the plastic outwards to fit the other side of the drive. The upper drive cage can be easily removed by pressing on the clips to the top and bottom. You can also remove the lower drive cage by removing 6 screws on the bottom of the case. The whole of the interior of the case is powder coated in white to match the exterior. There's no bare metal in there. Above the PSU bracket is the motherboard mounting tray which has built-in standoffs. Above that is a 120mm fan and there are holes drilled to fit a 140mm fan if you prefer. There's also a second 120mm fan at the front. The optical drive bay at the top can be removed, or you can install a 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drive in there using the included adapter. If you're using the upper drive cage, you'll need to leave it in place as the cage clips onto it. At the bottom of the case is a removable grille for the PSU fan, and there are 4 rubber feet which can be unscrewed. This is the completed build, which went very smoothly apart from the minor drive installation problems I mentioned earlier. There isn't much coverage between the GPU and the case side panel, so cooling may be an issue depending on the graphics card you choose. If you do find yourself having problems with overheating, you can buy vented side panels for this case, which should help. The PSU I chose was a Corsair CX500M, which fits perfectly. A PSU bigger than this one may be too long, so make sure that you choose a PSU no more than about 140 to 150 millimeters long. I also turned the drive cages around so that the drives are inserted from the other side, because the graphics card overlapped the drive bays slightly and made them inaccessible. So overall, this is a fantastic little case. It's very well made and has a premium feel. I really like the clean modern look, and it's perfect for a small form factor gaming rig or a Hackintosh build. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.